Hi, this is Mrs. Lamb, and I am going to talk to you guys a little bit today about European physical features geography. And so I'm going to talk to you about some of the things that are going to be on your quiz this week. All right, so let's start off by talking about some of the mountains of Europe. So there's the Pyrenees Mountains. And they form the boundary between France and Spain, and they are on the Iberian Peninsula. The country of Andorra is situated in the middle of these mountains. The Apennines Mountains, they run along the entire Italian peninsula. So if you look up here at my map, you can see where the Pyrenees Mountains are. Again, they separate Spain and France. They run directly through the itty-bitty country of Andorra. And then if you look here, you can see, an actual picture showing some of this. Okay, so the mountains of Europe, you've got continued. You've got the Alps, which are the highest mountain range in Europe. They run through the countries of France, Italy, Austria, Germany, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, and Slovenia. Then you've got the Ural Mountains, which are very important because they are actually the dividing point between the continent of Europe and Asia. And they are in Russia. And so part of Russia is in Europe, and part of Russia, the much larger portion, is actually in Asia. And these are some pictures of the Alps Mountains and the Ural Mountains. More mountains, Carpathian Mountains, they stretch through Poland, Romania, and the Ukraine. Here's some pictures of them. Rivers in Europe. The Danube River. This river runs through Central Europe. It forms the borders of Germany, Austria and Hungary, Slovakia, Croatia, Serbia, Bulgaria, Moldova, Ukraine, and Romania. The Rhine River runs through Germany and the Netherlands. And there's some pictures of each. The Volga River is the largest river in Europe. It runs through central Russia. There's some pictures. More rivers. The Seine River is located in France, and it runs through the middle of Paris. So you can see the shot here. It's quite beautiful. And here's a map showing you the Seine River. And you can see the Rhone River, actually. There's the Seine River with the arrow. Another picture of it. Okay, the plains of Europe. You've got the Northern European plain. It stretches from the Atlantic Ocean to Eastern Europe. This is where many cities of Europe are located. The best farmland in Europe is located here. There you go. Here's a map showing you the Northern European wheat belt, which is where the Northern European plain is. The seas and oceans of Europe. You've got the Mediterranean Sea, which is the sea between Europe and North Africa. You've got the countries that border the sea, which are Spain, France, Italy, Albania, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, and Greece. The Baltic Sea, it actually lies in the northeastern part of Europe. This sea borders Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Germany, Russia, Estonia, Poland, Lithuania, and Latvia. The North Sea, which is located in northern Europe with Norway, Sweden, Germany, the United Kingdom, Denmark, Belgium, and the Netherlands bordering it. The sea is known for its fishing and its oil reserves. And so you can see right here in the map where the Baltic Sea is. And then over here, next to Denmark, is where the North Sea is. The North Sea also touches the United Kingdom, of course. Of course, there's the Atlantic Ocean, and it forms the western border of Europe. The countries of Portugal, Spain, France, United Kingdom, and Ireland all border the Atlantic Ocean. And here's some pictures. It's beautiful. Then there's the Arctic Ocean. It is located in the northern part of Europe. Iceland, Norway, and Russia all border it. Um, and you can see right here from a top view the Arctic Ocean. That's a picture. The Black Sea is the sea which is situated within Europe and Asia. Turkey, Russia, Ukraine, and Romania and Bulgaria border it. The sea actually looks like a shoe. Here it is right here, the Black Sea. See, there's Turkey, there's Bulgaria, there's Russia, Romania, Moldova, Ukraine. Landlocked countries of Europe. So landlocked are countries with no ocean access. So some of these countries include the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Austria, Switzerland, Hungary, Luxembourg, Liechtenstein, Belarus, Moldova, Serbia, and Macedonia. And here's a map showing you some of these landlocked countries that actually have no ocean access at all. Peninsulas. Okay, so Europe is known as the peninsula of peninsulas. It actually itself is a peninsula of Asia, which is kind of funny. So Europe is a peninsula of Asia. The Iberian Peninsula is located in southwestern Europe, and it's where the countries of Spain and Portugal are. And the whole peninsula itself is called Iberian Peninsula. Then there's the Scandinavian Peninsula, and it's located in northern Europe, and it has the countries of Norway, Sweden, and Finland on it. And that's why people from that area are oftentimes collectively referred to as Scandinavians, because they are from the Scandinavian Peninsula. So here's the Iberian Peninsula. There's Portugal, there's Spain. The whole thing together is Iberian Peninsula. And then right here, Norway, Sweden, Finland, especially Norway, Sweden. This is the Scandinavian Peninsula. And you can include these guys in it too, I suppose. Some of the climate zones present in Europe include humid continental, marine west coast, Mediterranean, and humid subtropical. So all sort of different kind of weather. And that is it for my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.